good. I'm just kidding. All right, let's get to it here. We do have cloudy skies here. Mike says the same at his location. Mine as well. Overcast, no sun at all. And the wind is picking up a little bit here. Not crazy, but it will be a south wind front direction. And maybe we can get some rain out of this. There's some rain on the north coast. In fact, heavy rain, Crescent City, and rain's making it northward
for a couple months now.
I think a 0.05 to a tenth of an inch will cover it, maybe a quarter of an inch towards Santa Rosa. Heavier amounts farther north you go. And Sierra snow looks likely here. Winter weather